During a walk with his dog, Tom discovers an extremely rare treasure in the garden of his neighbor Jane, a stunning purple iron monster. He can't believe that his neighbor is also passionate about cars. However, this car is in an indescribably terrible condition. The purple and black paint is faded and peeling, exposing the rusty metal underneath. The front end of the car is almost completely destroyed, with the front bumper removed and damaged, revealing the radiator and exposed pipes. The headlights are cloudy, covered with dust and cobwebs, giving the impression that the car has been forgotten for a long time. The tires are worn out, showing signs of deflation, no longer able to roll. The windshield and windows are hazy due to thick dust accumulation. Tom looks to the other side of the car and, oh my, it is even worse on this side. The right side of the car is heavily scratched, with deep and long gouges creating white streaks on the faded purple-black paint. The driver's door is dented and misshapen, indicating that the car has suffered a severe collision. The metal details on the A-pillar and below the door are bent and rusty, clearly showing damage and decay. The front windshield is cracked and no longer able to withstand the weather. The front bumper and details at the front of the car are removed, with exposed mechanical parts, further adding to the miserable look of this muscle car. Scratches, dust, and rust cover everywhere, turning the car into a heartbreaking image of neglect and ruin. The interior of the car is no better than the exterior. With a love for cars since he was 10, Tom easily recognizes the legendary Sparco racing seat. Now it is torn, covered in dust and mold. The seatbelts are thrown around haphazardly, no longer neatly arranged as they once were. The dashboard and steering wheel are thick with dust, with the marks of time etched into every button and surface. The floor is completely bare, with no carpeting, exposing rusty metal patches and accumulated grime. The details inside the doors are peeling and severely damaged, with wires and components exposed, lacking any protective or aesthetic function. Yellow stains and dust cover everything, creating a gloomy and filthy atmosphere. The rear interior is no different, with torn covers, broken plastic parts, and dust everywhere. The sound system has been removed, leaving only holes and dangling wires. The car, once a symbol of speed and power, is now just a forgotten piece of the past, lying quietly amidst weeds and rust, waiting for a miracle to return to its glory days. What Tom cares about the most right now is the engine. However, the engine compartment of this car further highlights the terrible condition it is enduring. It turns out, this is a Mitsubishi Evolution 7. With a 2.0L turbocharged engine, producing about 276 horsepower, the car became one of the speed monsters in the sports car line. It's unimaginable what has happened to this car, from a speed king to now looking like a pathetic heap of scrap metal. Maybe when she was younger, Mrs. Jane was a real racer, and she and the car went through a fierce race, and then nothing more after that. The engine compartment, once the powerful heart of the car, now is just a mess of rusty and damaged parts. The hoses and wires around are covered in dust and oil residue, creating a shabby and old image. Metal details like shock bars and bolts have also started to rust, losing their original shine. Other mechanical parts like water pipes and joints show signs of wear and lack of maintenance. The area around the radiator and air filter is covered in dust and dirt. Perhaps the cooling and intake systems are no longer working efficiently. Mrs. Jane said she plans to sell this heap of scrap. But with 3 generations of car repair experience, Tom quickly asked for the car. He knows he can help this car once again become a masterpiece. Tom quickly loads this sleek purple beast onto a flatbed tow truck before Mrs. Jane changes her mind. Now, this heap of scrap metal is in Tom's garage, and he starts to treat the car. First, he carefully disassembles each part of the car. Looking at the huge spoiler of the beast, Tom mourns for what the car has been through, surely a battle no one wants to repeat. Next is the engine. Tom is measuring the cylinder compression pressure, and the results show the values of all 4 cylinders are close together. Great, so the engine of this Mitsubishi EVO 7 is still functional. Tom continues to remove all the interior and exterior details of the car. Once done, he gives the car a refreshing wash to remove the initial dirt. With a plastic bottle and a compressed air nozzle, what is Tom planning to do? He is making some sort of tool. Wow, it turns out Tom decided to sandblast to remove the rust, which looks simple yet very effective. Now he meticulously applies a primer coat evenly on the metal surface of the car. This priming process is an important step to ensure the final paint layer will be durable and perfect. Tom continues to remove other small details of the car, and now, with an electric sander, he is removing the purple paint on the car, revealing the metal underneath. Maybe he wants to give the car a new coat of paint. This process not only cleans the surface, but also prepares it for repainting, ensuring the new paint layer will adhere well and be uniform in color. In no time, the purple color has completely disappeared, and the Mitsubishi now looks like it's back to its original state of fabrication. Now Tom begins to repaint the car with excitement. He firmly holds the paint gun, carefully applying a smooth and even primer coat on the surface. With blue protective gloves, Tom shows professionalism and dedication in every move, like a true car repair hero. The main coat is being evenly applied by Tom. He kneels to get closer to the beast and paints every part of it, ensuring every corner is perfectly covered with a new coat. The brand new paint gradually appears, completely covering the metal underneath, creating a shiny and uniform surface. The garage lights reflect on the paint, creating sparkling beams, signaling the revival of the legendary car. The new paint not only gives a fresh appearance, but also protects the car from environmental impacts. This is an important step to ensure the Mitsubishi Evolution is not only visually appealing, but also durable and ready for new journeys. Now that the car's exterior is pristine, Tom proceeds to restore the car's engine. He removes the parts under the hood and begins the engine maintenance mission. First, he removes the rust from the air filter pipe, then polishes it back to its original shine. Once done, Tom reassembles the parts, with the old air ducts replaced with brand new ones. Next, he removes the air filter for cleaning. After removing the dirt, Tom paints the support frame black. Now, he reassembles the engine parts. The old, rusty, peeling engine cover is being carefully restored by Tom. He uses an electric polisher to clean and polish the surface of the engine cover. Scratches, rust, and old paint gradually disappear, revealing the shiny metal underneath. A new deep red paint layer is being applied to the engine cover by Tom. The engraved Evolution on the engine cover now stands out more than ever, reflecting light and creating a strong highlight. Other exterior details are also being repainted by Tom, bringing the Mitsubishi back to life. He quickly reassembles the parts, putting them back in their original places. Now it's time for the wheels. Tom disassembles the parts, including the smashed mudguard. He carefully repaints the brake calipers, giving them a vibrant red coat. Next, Tom restores the details at the front of the car. He repaints the wiper bracket, removes the decals on the car, and meticulously cleans the glass to help the car regain its original beauty. After assembling all the parts, Tom takes out a mysterious cardboard box. Oh, it turns out he's planning to add a front spoiler to boost the beast's power. The lights are also being restored by Tom. He removes all the decals and quickly polishes them with a handheld polisher. Before polishing, the taillights looked cloudy and scratched, as if they had endured years and harsh environmental conditions. But as soon as the polisher touches them, it's like a miracle unfolds. The taillights shine bright like diamonds, clear and radiant. After repainting the front and rear of the car, Tom carefully reassembles the details. The beast is gradually taking shape. The remaining details are also polished and assembled by Tom. Now, the front of the Mitsubishi EVO 7 shines with refined beauty, ready to capture every gaze. The glossy black grille with the striking red Mitsubishi logo at the center creates a strong and stylish focal point. The metal details of the grille are meticulously and securely assembled, giving a modern and robust appearance. The smooth white front bumper, free of any scratches or blemishes, perfectly complements the grille, creating a harmonious and eye-catching overall look. Tom is assembling the final details of the car. To truly revive the car's powerful spirit, Tom has broken open his savings to purchase brand new seats. He has also ordered an EVO 8 generation spoiler so the beast can be truly ready to return to the track. Let's admire the result. From an old, dilapidated wreck, our car hero Tom has helped the Mitsubishi EVO 7 transform magnificently, regaining its majestic power.